Hello everyone, Akis here and welcome to my channel. Ayan guys, we're going to unboxing for today and let's see what is inside of the box. So, tara na! So guys, ang ating unboxing for today. So, let's start with this. So, this one guys. Okay. For my biking guys. Yan, 4-hour knee dito. Parang tigas. Ano kaya? Ay, alam ko na po. What is this? Wait. Meron siyang pad dito. Ay, ganun. Let's see. Akala ko naman kay ganda-ganda. Ang pangit pala. Alam nyo kung, you know what is this use guys? Ganyan. Pangit pala. Kasi wala naman ako. Yan. Oops. Maraming laman. Ayan. Wala. Barbell. Hulaan nyo, ano to? Guess what is that, guys? Ang laki pala nito. Get. Tan! O, diba? Ito pala yun. Ayan siya. Diba? Ang bigat. Too heavy. You know guys, that's why I bought this one. Kasi I bought tawas also. So I'll show you. Then next guys, tawas. 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 And shampoo. This is the reason why I bought tawa. This one guys, because of this tawas is stone. So I need to crack it here. This one. Let's open this. Ito naman. This guys is we have in Philippines, but because here in China you have to order to Filipino who's selling this kind of product. Ta-da! Oh, diba? So this one is for coconut. You have to God. I don't know the English. So you have to sit on here like this, and then like this, and then the coconut like that. Then, okay. Then next, this one. You have to know what is this one. Okay. Oh. Coconut. You know what? This is the coconut that you can pack. Half this one and then you can use this one. I bought this one for my hair, guys, because it's dry and I want shiny and smooth. Yeah, it's smooth also, but not the same like before. If you're in Philippines, you are using this kind of coconut for the every other day before when I was in Philippines. But because I stay here for how many years, so I try it again what I'm doing in Philippines before. Ang mahal ng brand na binili ko, ito. Tapos hindi kasya sa akin at hindi kasi maliit. Kailangan may talagang this one is not working for me because I really don't have. Walang kakapitan. Hinay ko na siya. Hindi ko naman siya pwedeng ipakita kasi sa inyo kasi hindi siya tulad ng nakikita ko. Hindi tulad dito sa na talagang working sa akin. Kahit na even though I will put everything and everywhere, it's not working. Kahit magtumbling-tumbling pa ako. So, ang mahal pa naman. Akala ko okay sa akin. Hindi pala. Kaya, wag maniwala agad-agad sa mga nakikita online. Tulad ko, naloko na. Ayan. So, this is for my vlog for today, guys. So, hope to see you in my next vlog.
Magandang dilag, puso ko yung nabili.